Alright, so Walt Disney stock is at $154.14 with a market cap of $279 billion, which is awesome. We've had a nice run up and we're staying steady in the $150 range. But in today's news, got some sad ones for the kiddos. Radio Disney to shut down in the first quarter of 2021 amid Walt Disney Company's restructuring. So, the long-running network, which launched in November 1996, is closing its door for good in a few months, a spokesperson confirmed to Fox Business. Radio Disney and Radio Disney Country will cease operations in the first quarter of 2021. The difficult decision to close these two radio networks coincided with Disney's recently announced structural changes that call for Disney branded television to sharpen its focus on increasing production of kids and family content for Disney Plus and Disney Channel and Disney channels. So essentially it's kind of odd. I mean, Disney is a kid friendly, family friendly company, and I think they're kind of realizing that they need to cut costs. This probably isn't earning them really money. It might, but I think with the environment that we're in with COVID, they've realized that they need to clear house where they can. And this is one of those laggers. It's just you lag behind with something, they have to hire a bunch of people. It costs money to maintain all the equipment, and they need to cut that out. It's a business that they know they can sustain doing it, but this is all about money. They need to become profitable where they can, and they need to focus because the COVID, pandemic has hit them very, very hard. So I just want you to be aware that, hey, they are restructuring, and it's sad, but also good news from a stock standpoint because this just isn't one of those heavy hitters, and they are focusing on their streaming content now because their parks, it probably won't become normal for years, and they need to change their focus. So do some research, have some fun, make some money. Video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.